Code D, part 10 of 14, lamp module. Create a new file. Select model template. Select inches in units and enter the name lamp module. Click OK. Now create a sketch. Select YZ datum plane. Click OK. Now draw the profile for our revolved section. Select the profile tool. Enter the XC value 0.05 inches and YC value 0. Enter the vertical height 0.26 inches, angle 90 degree. Draw a slanting line. Now start dimensioning. Edit this dimension to 0.1 inch. Edit this dimension to 0.185 inches. Finish the sketch. Now select revolve. Select the specify vector. Select the Z axis. Okay. Now select shell. Enter the thickness 0.01 inch. Select the top face and the bottom face. Click OK. Right click, orient view to trimetric. Save the file. File, close all parts. This completes Code D, part 10 of 14, lamp module.